Hi everyone, hope you are doing well, and this is my third attempt to record a video. I don't know what kind of issues I have, either it's internet or just the website is not, don't want to open the videos that I recorded. So what I want to say is that charts that I'm going to share, I already did a technical analysis, so I will just explain why I took certain levels, and maybe I will just put some corrections into some TAs because probably some prices are changed in crypto, because I was recording it yesterday and today, of course, we can see a bit different picture. But let me start with SP 500. First of all, I want to say that I couldn't manage to check the US market close. On Friday, I had really bad internet issues, couldn't open TradingView. So only the next day I could see this huge, strong sell-off as the same situations that we had here. And right now, of course, I'm expecting a downward move. So either the market will open with the gap already down at somewhere at this area that I highlighted right now here, and either it will open with a gap and will manage to hold the price over here at this support area. We have here this Fibonacci levels. We have here also this FAG on 4-hour time frame. So this level could stand as a support level, and if it does and give us a push up, then probably the trend will be shifting into the bullish trend, because see here we had higher high, higher low, another higher low, this high, and it was going lower and lower and lower. And here the same, we had this low, like lower high, then lower low, and lower low. So now if we want to see the trend shift, the price should either bounce from here, and then this zone gonna stand as a resistance zone. Before it was standing as a support. If you watched my previous videos, and if you're reading in Discord as well, let me go and see what I was writing. Yeah, here I was writing that it's really important to see a positive close on daily and weekly time frames. So this would lead the market be green during the weekend. But we had this huge sell-off, and of course some coins, if we're talking about crypto, they showed weakness in the market and dumped back to their lows. So yeah, price couldn't hold above this red box, which was standing for me as a support area. It didn't hold, it didn't do something like this, and it just nuked, and also the 1 hour close was even below this support area. So right now it will stand as a resistance. So my first interest zone is over here. It's important to see price holding this area, some consolidation as we had, for example, at this area, or I don't know, even if it will dump, we should see a V-shaped recovery. So this will be a strong signal that, okay, bulls are in control, even though we had this sell off, but still bulls, they don't want to lose this let's say 5,900, 6,000 level, right? And then of course we need to see the breakout of this resistance area over here. Worst case, for example, we see Monday opening with the gap, or not with the gap, but like we see how the price is declining. It came to this area, but not managing to hold above 0.75. instead of it rejects from 0.618, you know, and in this case we may expect the price go much lower towards to this area over here. All right, and how did I took these levels? I will show you now. Let me delete this first. So I went to 4 hour. You can see this green box, right? This is FEG. This is 4 hour FEG, and I have a trick. I have this kind of Fibonacci. It is divided to 0, 0, 25, 0, 5, 0, 7, 5, and 1. Okay, I just put these fibs on this FEG, and I just highlighted important one for me is 0, because usually when the trend is strong, when bulls are stronger, usually it may already bounce either from 0 level or go a bit lower and bounce from 0.5, 0.75. In this case, even if it will bounce, we need to see, important, we need to see a close of the candle above 0.5. Okay, if we will not see a close of the candle above 0.5, for example, price came and doesn't show price came but didn't close like this, but shows like weakness below 0.5, then most probably price will decline towards to this area. All right, so that's why I have this Fibonacci levels. So this is a plan about SP500. I cannot do right now like more higher time frame TA, because basically we are ranging here already almost whole January. Okay, and right now for us it is important to see which direction the price will break out. Either it will manage to break upper side, you know, this area, above this area, above this red box, or either it will go lower and lower, you know. So for me, this area is interesting, and then this box is interesting. Okay, these two levels. Which way it will go, then we will see like what kind of long-term trend we're gonna have. If we are breaking out, then all good, easy mode will be back. We will be just longing, you know, we can go all in. If the price breaks below this green box, then hard times are here. Focus mostly on shorts, you know, and the market will be really hard to trade. Well, it is already hard to trade, but I think it will be even worse. So this is for now. Let me now talk about wicks. Wicks is really important always to watch. If you remember from my last video, I said that we should pay attention to this area over here. It's above 14.71. Okay, because last time price was coming to this area and bouncing, and right now we have the same situation, and also price could break above 16.23, which means that okay, the price will continue towards to this area 20.35. So if I see right now wicks bullish, it means that most probably SP500 will continue going down. Okay, this is the logic. And for me, will stand same areas as the resistance areas. For example, the price may reject from 20.35, then $22. And most important is not to have a daily close above 22. If we will have a daily close above 22, then expect stronger pump, which means we'll have a deeper pullback, okay, in the market before VIX will come to this oversold condition, and before the market will finally find the bottom. Okay. Also, as I said many times, I would personally really be happy to see VIX on daily time frame on RSI to be at this area, at this box, on to be oversold. This will be for me the bottom. Okay, if I will not be managed to be on charts, you should just set alarms. You should just see what is going on. For example, we're dumping hard, and you're panicking. Open wicks, check where is wicks. Okay, if wicks on a daily already came to this, let's say 70, 80 levels, you should not be worried. You should say, okay, this is the bottom. It is time to buy. Okay, so try to be less emotional. Try to follow the charts, because charts say everything. And so far, if you just go through the history, you can see that this was the bottom, August 6, 24. This was the bottom in December. So right now I want to see the price to come here, and I will set even the alarm. Otherwise, like if we'll just continue chopping around here, it will be really annoying to trade. It is already annoying to trade. So yeah, this is my plan. I will see how it will react from these certain areas. I will see how is it gonna close. Okay, and depending on this, I will make my next conclusions. So now let me go and check quickly DXY with gold. DXY, nothing really changed. So if you remember, I had here this red box, but I deleted it and I set this level at around 107.161, which for me is important. So if we want to see a bearish move, like a significant bearish move on DXY, we should see a daily close or any time frames that is high 4-hour to be closed below 107.161. In this case, the price will decline towards to this interest zone for me, this and this interest zone. So 100, let's say 106, approximately 104 and 102 levels. Otherwise, we will not see any close below 107. The price may just consolidate, as I already drew this here. Maybe I will just make a new one more beautiful. I don't need this. So you can see this EMAs, price may go, EMAs can just go like this, and price may go just to chop around before doing any significant pump towards to this area. Okay, also what we should pay attention to 108.8, 109.6 levels, because it may retest these areas, and reject again. And if it will reject hard, and decline significantly and come already to 107.8, then there will be more chances that this time the price will break below 107.161. All right, so right now it's also choppy, 50-50. We need to see how the market will open on Monday, where is the price going to be, and how it's going to react to this prices above, and how it's going to react to this price below. All right, so yeah, there's nothing much to do. On lower time frame, it looks more bullish. Looks like it will come back to this areas, but we need to see how it's going to react. Otherwise, if it will show strong bullish trend with the daily close above of $109, then most probably it will continue going higher towards the 112. So this is about DXY. Now let's quickly go to gold. So gold, I was expecting it to come to this price level, it didn't touch just a little bit and rejected. Right now there are several possibilities. First of all, I want to see some price decline, because it was pumping a lot without any pullback, which is not healthy for the bullish trend continuation. And I would want to see the price decline towards this 2026 EMAs, or towards to 2789. And I want to see bullish reaction here, some consolidation before bullish trend continuation. Also possibility to touch this 50 EMA at around 2764 probably. And of course, if we will see like a candle close below 50 EMAs, and most probably the price will decline towards to this area, 2663. In the worst case, towards to this lows that we had here, or towards to 2597 or 200 EMAs that comes here. But so far I don't see that it will drop that much. I expect that it will continue going higher towards the 3104 level. So this was about gold. Now let's talk about crypto. I will start with USDT. I already have some certain levels over here. We'll go to 4-hour time frame. So yesterday when I was recording a video, the USDT was over here. All right, and I said that I expect the dominance to decline towards the 4.48 level, where it can find a support and continue going higher towards to these two levels. Like the 0.755 for me is really one of the most important levels that should not be broken. Otherwise, we may have a significant pump towards to this 0.75 level, or even towards to this, which means that we may have, okay, let's take from this level, that we may have either 6% or let's say 10-13% of pump, which is not good for crypto market, which means that we will have another like bigger dump. All right, so let's watch at this level. I will also set an alarm just in case, because breakout of this area will bring a significant pump on USDT dominance, significant pump equal to significant dump in the crypto. Still, Bitcoin may not react that strong, but altcoins may drop another 20% or maybe more. So yeah, first possibility. Dominance is holding above this level, gives a pullback, then bearish reaction. This will be good. Another possibility, pullback close above another pump. Another possibility, the dominance starts to go lower towards this level, 4.40, and then gives a pullback. I know that here will be a lot of resistance zones to break. Why I took this 4.40 level, because we can see how last time it really respected this low over here and bounced really well. And very positive scenario is that percentage comes here. No, let me draw it over here. So dominance comes here, bounces as I showed you here, then rejects and goes lower towards to maybe like that somehow, and goes lower towards this area 4.24, which may stand as a support level as well. Okay, and can give a nice bounce. But let's see now what will happen between these two levels, like this, and then like I can think about further, like how how the price action looks on daily, you know, and weekly time frames. So yeah, for now, if just talking about 4 hour, I have several possibilities, and we will see how each each way will play out. And it's very important to see reaction here, here, and then over here. All right, so this was about USDT dominance. So right now it comes to resistance support 4.48. So I would recommend to book longs and wait for the reaction. Then if you will book some longs and most stop loss to break even, but the USDT dominance will continue going down, it means that altcoins will continue going higher. And then another next a zone where you should pay attention is 4.40, because from here it may bounce really strongly, and this is where I would recommend you book your longs again, you know, and maybe look for short positions. Now let's go to Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance, I had this green box, which supposed to be a support level, but it didn't hold. And now it's coming to this area, 61.13. I already have an alarm here, so I will look for the reaction. If it will bounce, like give a nice strong bounce like this, you know, then most probably the dominance will continue going higher towards to this red box resistance zones that I highlighted yesterday. And it comes to this 0.5 level on of this week. You can see this long week, you know, and it may reject from there. Most important is not to have any close above this area, otherwise it will go higher towards to 64.88, which means that altcoins will continue going down. So also, it may go lower towards the 60.56 and then show a reaction. So either it's this level or this level. You know, these two levels are really important to watch, to pay attention to. Yes, so overall, so far, Bitcoin dominance is still in a bullish trend. So any pullback until this red zone area is an area where it may find its support and continue going higher. Just want to clean it up a bit. All right, and also we can see here daily FEG. So please be careful once dominance comes here. I mean, be careful with your long positions if you have. All right. So this was about Bitcoin dominance. So now let's check altcoin versus Bitcoin. So total 3 versus Bitcoin. Okay, it's playing out pretty well. I highlighted these levels yesterday, this area. So either it will now reject from 0.75. Let me put alarm, and will go down again, or either it will break above the 0.75 on 4 hour, and in this case it will have a way towards to this next resistance zone area at 0.59 million, or we have here also 4 hour FVG and Fibonacci level, very important, strong one. So either it may reject from this area and give us some pullback, you know, to retest this zone again, now before going higher. So far it is playing out as I was expecting. Now I will see how it will close this level 0.75, and then according to this I will think if I should maybe open new long positions or just keep my long positions, you know, and so on. So please now let's see how 4 hour will close, and then check how it will react for this price zone, you know, and then only if you will see daily close or 4 hour close with confirmation about this 1.618, then there will be more probabilities that total three, like altcoins versus Bitcoin, will go higher towards this next resistance zone, where actually this huge dump began. All right, so we're working level by level because market conditions are not easy right now. All right, here I will highlight this level, so you know if the price will reject from this area, this will be a support zone, okay? And if this support zone will be broken, it will mean that the price will decline towards to this area or this level that I am waiting for, you know. Now let me talk about Ethereum. So Ethereum, I did this long setup yesterday when I was making this video, and as we can see, it already took first day profit. So what I was telling yesterday, just a moment, yeah. So I highlighted these levels as one of strong resistance levels from where we may see a bearish reaction, you know, towards to this area. So Ethereum currently is a bit hard to predict. First of all, it is in a bearish trend on 4-hour. Even if I put FIB EMAs, you can see how it's keep rejecting from this 26 EMA. So right now, if we want to see Ethereum to go higher, at least towards to this 200 EMA, we need to see that it is breaking above this 26 EMA. All right, or it should close with 4-hour time frame above 2687. Okay, this levels that I have right now here. Only if I will see now that the price is closing, then most probably it will go higher towards to this FVG zone. All right, and either it will reject from this 3000 level, you know, or it can still go a bit higher and do just a fake breakout, you know, like this, and then price may return back as it did here. It may return back and then it may find a support over this area, you know. In this case, we will have lower low, lower high, you know, and yeah, this kind, it may continue going higher, you know. So lower low, how would call it, higher high, higher low, I'm sorry, I'm always confused with this terms, then lower high, you know, and so on. Higher low, sorry. So yeah, this is one of the possibilities. So right now I need to see how it's gonna react on 4-hour. If it will manage to break above this level, 2687, if it does, if we will have a close above this 26 EMA, you know, then it will be good to either keep long if you longed Ethereum, or you can try to open long position here and take and aggressively, please take profits at these levels, because every level is still strong resistance level and it may reject hard from each level. Okay, so this is one of the possibilities. Another possibility is that the price rejects here, you know, and in this case it will go lower towards to this support zone that I highlighted here. If I'm not mistaken, it comes also to Fibonacci levels, and I highlighted them already as 2484, 2348. So the price may come here and then continue going up higher. And another thing is price comes, but it's not managing to close, like it's not showing strength, like a V-shaped recovery, you know, from this area, then most probably the price will come to this zone. And the most, like, really worst scenario, price just declines and goes lower, lower, lower. So if you want, you can just set limit orders to buy at these levels that you can see right now on the chart, you know, and then see what is like see what is Ethereum is doing. All right, so right now, currently, while I'm recording this video, I don't have any short or long setup. I will wait. If it will break above this area, then it will be a positive sign, at least for short term, you know. Then maybe I will open a long. This is not relevant. Maybe I would do like that, you know, with tiny stop loss to 0.701, and then with take profit like this, I would say. Yeah, if it's not, if it's rejecting, then I will open short. Short with, I need to see from where it will reject. Depending on this, I will put stop loss, and I would just keep short like that. So here right now, two possibilities. So either or. Now let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Okay, so I had this long yesterday, wanted to share with you. We have here right now new strong support area, this green box, or I would just delete it. We just set a line like that. So we have right now this level, which we should consider as a support level. We can see how the price is holding here, you know, and so far it showed really nice bounce. Let me open. Yeah, but we have this resistance zone at 98,361. Also, it comes to 50 EMA on 4 hour, and we have this resistance zone at 99,420. I already set a possible short setup because we have here also this FEG, for our FEG, and so far the price was always rejected from this area. So either we may have a pump, you know, with a bearish reaction from this area, from one of these areas, you know, and we can try to short Bitcoin and take profits on the way down, like here, for example. Maybe first take profit can be at 96,700. Then this area, you can see it was also respecting this 92,764 level, then this area, you know, and lower, 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 like you can see it on the chart. You can just copy them, you know. This is one possibility. Like, I'm more bearish right now rather than super bullish, but we could still have some bounce. So either I will short from here, or either I will short from 102k, and worst case, not worst case, but either I will short from 105,000, you know. But I need to see first of all on the lower time frames what price is doing, what is SP 500 doing, you know. If SP 500 is showing strength, then maybe I will not take any short. But yeah, so for now, my potential short setup is this. This long, I made it yesterday. I said that you can try to long from this level, but my internet was shit and I couldn't share anything yesterday, not even a video. So for example, if right now the price comes down, let me do it like this, price comes down, you know, and shows bounce, then you can try to long with first take profit here, second take profit here, move your stop loss to break even, better to this first take profit, and then look for the reaction if price will try to break this FVG, and that's like this, you know, with some consolidations, and most probably it will continue going hard towards to this level over here. I will just do it a bit lower, and then this will be next level to watch, and so on. All right, so we can try to long short term till these two important levels. After that, we need to see what is going on. You can fully book your long, or you can still keep your long position and open short as well, you know, with tiny stop loss. And yeah, this are my two setups to long and short. But overall, if I want to talk about higher time frame, I have this, yeah, I have this one. So we can see from previous video, I said that I expect the price to come to this Fibonacci levels, this FVG levels, this resistance zone, and we can see how price touched this level, and currently it is down exactly from this level, like 5.32%, but in the moment it was even 6.78% down, and right now, honestly, so far, I would want to see the price lower, at least to retest this area and this, because if we go to weekly, even on a weekly time frame, we can have something similar. You see how even RSI is looking like right now. It came to the support. You see the support zone. It may bounce on a weekly towards to this 70%, 70 level on RSI, and reject again. And if it does and breaks below this support 62.26, then it will just go lower towards to this area here on RSI. Okay, so we may see something similar. About this I was telling many times in previous videos as well. So we could still see something similar. But I personally want all the situation to just play out as quick as possible, because all this range and all these movements in the market are super annoying. Like, look at this price action. What is this? Right? It's just super annoying. And so far, yeah, Bitcoin looks more bearish, but it could still give what to say, bounce. Yeah, even if you put this, even if you just make a simplest TA, put just a resistant level, this line, you know, so the price could come here and then go down. This is also possible. All right. And so yeah, let's see how again this week will play out. And we will see. So far we may have something similar, just chop, a quick down towards this area, and then this will be finally the bottom, hopefully, and then max long and alt seasons that everyone is waiting for. This was all for now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, if you want me to show something more detailed, just let me know. Like I'm really happy to receive questions, comments, and so on. And I always say like, more active you are, the more benefits you get. And especially, I want to say to Discord members, like if you join Discord, please show your activity, because first of all, you're paying for this. Secondly, just if you want to progress, be active, learn, and always work on yourself. Like this trading journey is not easy stuff, and even though like you may come to one of the best Discord communities, but if you will not put your effort, if you will not start doing something, even we will not be able to help you. We can provide best information, best support, but if you yourself will not start working on yourself, nothing is going to change. All right, so please be active, don't be lazy, be curious, everything depends on you, first of all. We are here to help, but if you want to change your life, it should start from yourself, okay? So this was all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, please support me with likes and comments, share my videos. You can also support me with joining, with using affiliate links. I will not earn much, but still it will be really helpful for me to keep growing, and it will mean a lot for me that I'm doing this not for nothing. All right, so thank you again and see you next time.